superhero. His record of saving lives is zero. Bratman Black.
Can you dig it?
They say this superhero. Bratman Black is a bad mother.
Shut your mouth.
I'm just talk about Bratman Black.
Oh yeah.
He's a complicated nerd and lame, and he walk around without no shame. Bratman Black.
Now that's funky.
But picture getting smoked out by some T-Spheres high-tech anal balls. yeah, Mr. Terrific Sandwich breaking it off. Good old boot and his booty. Oh yeah, Mr. Terrific. So now you know that Mr. Terrific, year one, issue 1 through 6.